Tired of playing with the same old Blooks? Let's unlock your creativity and design your own custom Blook for Blooket. The first step to becoming a Blooket master artist is understanding Blooket's customization system. While Blooket doesn't allow direct uploads of any image, they do provide a framework for user-generated content. This means you can design your Blooks within certain parameters. But you can't just upload a photo of your cat. To start designing, you'll typically access either a Create tab or Explore options within the shop that allow for personalization. Depending on the current Blooket features, keep an eye out for special events or updates that might expand these options. Now for the most exciting part, creating your art. Think about what makes your personality unique. Do you love vibrant colors? Are you a fan of a particular meme? Or maybe you have a signature doodle. Blooket encourages you to think outside the box. You can use any art program, even basic ones like MS Paint or free online pixel art Makersto. Sketch out your Blook ideas, focus on distinct shapes and clear outlines. Remember, Blooks are generally stylized and not overly complex, so embrace simplicity. As you design, consider what visual elements will translate well into a game character. Bright, bold colors and easily recognizable shapes are your friends. You might even be able to submit your designs during specific Blooket contests or features, giving you a chance to see your creation in the game. The key is to experiment, have fun, and let your personality shine through your art. Who knows? Your next custom Blook might be the talk of the Blooket lobby.